Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing awesome. My name is Deepak. I'm your instructor for today. In this series of lessons, we will be learning basics of programming in Python and VEX. Why Python? Because I think it's a lot easier to learn Python, and it's a lot easier to start with Python so that you understand the basics of programming concepts. The concepts of programming are same in almost every single language. Only the syntax will be a lot different, of course. So we will be starting with Python. We will learn how to install VS Code for programming. Then we will start working with integers, floats, strings, arrays, then logics, loops, break, continue statements, and function declarations, then ending with overloading functions. On the other lessons that we will be working in the future, we will be covering a lot on the basics of wrangle nodes, in which we will work with particles. We will be working with geometries, points, and some advanced functions that exist only in Houdini. Primarily, we'll be only focusing on the Python part, which we will be programming in VS Code, so that you can get your basics clear. As soon as we are done with Python, you will start doing VEX. And as soon as you start doing VEX, you will see that these things are so much correlated that it'll be like a revision for you guys. I'm just assuming that you are totally noob in VEX and you have no idea, or just the basic terminology concept of programming in VEX. If you don't know anything, that is okay. I will start everything from zero in this course. So let's get started.